Alright, so we just pulled up to San Diego. We're about to roll into Anacote Powder in a second to drop off these FR500 wheels. It was a cool trip, wasn't too bad, no real major traffic. Hopefully we get the same love going back. I do gotta drop a T5 off on the way back up, so yeah, hopefully that goes smooth.
Alright everybody, this is Kent with Anacote Powder. I've been in business for 4 years, and this is my shop right here, 8745 Production Avenue, Suite A, San Diego, California, 92121.
Really good work. I'm looking at these black wheels that they did, and they look smooth and buttery, man, ready to go on. So I'm looking forward to the result. So we'll be back in like a week to come grab them. All right, big shout out to Anacote Powder. Shout out to Kent for hooking it up. Yeah, let's get back on the road. In the house at Anacote Powder in San Dog, man, with my man Kent right here. So check it out. He hooked up the translucent copper, which is a really hard color to shoot. There's very few powder coating companies in the SoCal area that will do this color, and my man right here took care of it, man. What's going on, man?
What's going on?
So how long have you been in the shop?
I've been in business for about 4 years. 4
years? Okay, cool, man. My question is this. What makes a man like you want to take on a job like that?
With the rims or just with anything? Just
with that card colored rims. I mean, because I had a lot of people tell me it couldn't be done. Yeah. But this man said it could be done. Yeah. He tackled it.
Yeah, you just need years of experience, and I have the right people that work with me. So when you have that years of experience, there shouldn't be any problem or any job that's too tough to tackle.
Okay, cool, man. Another thing I want to know is, so this business has been open for 4 years?
For 4 years, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Started on Craigslist, now I'm here.
Oh, okay, that's dope. You started on Craigslist?
Started on Craigslist, did a little free advertising here and there because I didn't have that much money. I couldn't do Google AdWords, I couldn't do this, so I just started posting everywhere I could on Craigslist. Little jobs here and there, just working my way up.
That's what's up. Talking about old school American dream in the house. You know what I'm saying? That's why I like this guy. That's why I chose this place. I actually found out about him on Instagram. He had pictures of other rims that were some pretty difficult colors. I believe he had like a candy apple red.
Candy apple red, and candy blue.
It's not an easy color to shoot.
It's not easy, it's not easy.
But this man will take care of it for you, man. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna tell you like this. Anacote handled their business, and I will be real with you, man. The camera don't do these justice, man. I mean, it's just, these things are super nice. But mind you, these are the same wheels that came from the junkyard. Alright? So to tell you, sometimes you see some wheels in the junkyard that may be damaged and everything, doesn't mean you shouldn't pick them up. Alright? Anybody who's looking for powder coating in the translucent department, make sure you come down to Anacote, because these guys did an amazing job and they took their time. You know, he told me after he did it the first time, he did it twice, and he said he didn't like the way it turned out. So, you know, he took the time and had some integrity in his work to do them again, and I like that about this spot. That's why I wanted to sponsor me, you know, because it's hard to find people who take pride in their work, you know, because I'd hit up a few powder coating companies and they all just really shoddy, just about the bottom line, which is the dollar, and not about doing good work and having pride in their work.